Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sponges that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Skrubby style Skrubby sponges. We love the Skrubby style Skrubby sponge for its durability and dual-sided design. Not only is this sponge suitable for fragile surfaces like delicate china and non-stick cookware, but the scouring side is non-abrasive, so it will be tough on grime without scratching up your cookware. And for those who never know when it's time for a new sponge, this model features a fading label on the scouring side that informs users when it's time to swap. Made from polyurethane foam, this pick won't absorb any foul odors over time, so you can clean without the smell of an old sponge wafting up. The small pores don't trap or pick up pesky food particles or debris, making it last longer. Plus, these sponges dry quickly and rinse easily. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Non-Scratch Sponge. Available in a 6-pack at a very low price, the Amazon Basics Non-Scratch Sponge is an affordable pick that doesn't sacrifice quality. This sponge has a scrubbing pad on one side and a soft wiping surface on the other. The scrubbing side is safe for all surfaces, including stainless steel and non-stick coatings. And rather than tossing out your sponge when it gets even slightly grimy, you can throw this pick in the dishwasher for quick and effective cleaning between uses. While this sponge isn't going to tackle baked-on grime and tough messes like a scouring pad will, it handles daily messes and surfaces just fine. You can also use this sponge for household chores such as countertops and bathroom cleaning. At number 3, we have the Scrub Daddy Original Sponge. The fan-favorite Scrub Daddy maintains its scrubbing power for up to 8 weeks for long-lasting cleaning power that can tackle baked-on messes and grime. Unlike traditional sponges, this sponge's texture varies depending on the water temperature. In cold water, it remains firm for extra scrubbing power, while in warm water, it softens to the texture of a normal sponge. Plus, this sponge rinses clean and won't absorb any foul odors. While the adorable smiley face shape might bring some joy to washing the dishes, this design is also highly functional and ergonomic for better cleaning power. The mouth is great for getting into the grooves of silverware and small serving utensils. At number 2, we have the Biodegradable Kitchen Sponges. Crafted from natural cellulose and coconut husk, this pick performs like a standard plastic-based sponge but is compostable, biodegradable, and made of natural materials. This dual-sided sponge features a soft side for wiping and a rough side for scrubbing. Because of its soft nature, this sponge is great for all surfaces, including non-stick cookware, countertops, glassware, and bathroom tile. We especially love that this sponge doesn't hold onto food particles or smells like some synthetic sponges do. If you want an eco-friendly alternative that won't live on in a landfill, you'll love that this sponge can compost in a matter of weeks. Plus, it's machine washable for easy cleaning and maintenance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Skrubby Scrub Kitchen Sponges. For stubborn messes or high-use cookware, we recommend the Skrubby Non-Scratching Scrub. This sponge is long-lasting and reusable. Just run it through the dishwasher to sanitize it. Unlike traditional scouring pads, this sponge won't fall apart after consistent use. We especially love that it's tough on hardened messes but won't damage non-stick cookware. Made from cotton with a food-grade hardener, this sponge is natural and safe for most surfaces, including marble and stainless steel. You can also use this sponge outside the kitchen for bathroom or household cleaning as well, but be careful to not use it on delicate areas that are prone to scratching. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.